Changing your payout method on First Horizon Bank is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payout method is updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the First Horizon Bank website and log into your online banking account using your username and password. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings or profile section in the main menu. This is where you can manage your account preferences. Step 3. Select payout methods. In the account settings, look for an option labeled payout methods or payment preferences. Click on this option to view your current payout methods. Step 4. Update your payout method. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRT to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm changes. After entering your new payout method, review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, save your changes and log out of your account. Make sure to check your email for any confirmation regarding the changes. If you encounter any issues, contact First Horizon Bank customer support for assistance.